In terms of injuries, we're worried about a C-spine fracture because he's not moving any of his limbs.
We are equipping students with the knowledge of what consequences of risky decision making can look like, and we truly believe we're making a difference to every student that attends the program and empowering them to go out afterwards and still go out and have fun and be able to come home safely at the end of the day.
1, 2, 3, perfect.
Okay.
I thought it was a really informative experience. It really opened my eyes what impacts and consequences risk-taking behaviours might have on teenagers and the like.
Got the opportunity to actually put the suction through the mouth and then put the air pipe on top.
P.A.R.T.Y program engages with a huge multidisciplinary team across all the different hospital sites, and then we have an amazing core team of our own that are made up of ICU and ED nurses and our trauma ambassadors that speak at every program.
So this is his head CT, and as you can see, he's bleeding.
And these people are truly amazing. They're not teachers, and we're asking them to go out there each program and talk about some of the worst days that they've ever had in their lives or in their nursing careers, and asking them to relive those, you know, in the hopes that it's going to educate these students.
I feel like it's definitely changed my vision on, I guess, my decisions that I make, especially on the road as I get closer to getting my Ps. I guess those decision makings and, you know, my choices definitely were impacted by this course.
I think I can see it visually, and I can, you know, see what actually happens to people. So just the seriousness of it, especially in a hospital, just the seriousness was like a big alert to me.
Now inside the bag and zip them in.
So this is only a simulated thing, but you can see how it's affected people.
I truly believe we're making a difference and that students will leave this program taking that couple of seconds to think twice before acting, and sometimes that's all it takes to save a life or a serious injury is just stopping, pausing and thinking.
I think the key message is that you have to be safe, and people can say it to you every day of your life, like your parents, your grandparents, your teachers, your friends, anyone can say that you can be safe. But after the P.A.R.T.Y program, looking at it, you understand what people can go through, and seeing all of the things in intensive care, that was really eye-opening. So yes, please, if you can, do the P.A.R.T.Y program, it's really good.